Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the programming guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to turn on or off dark mode on Samsung smartphone. Right, so I'm going to show you how to do that in a very easy and simple way. I know some people like the dark mode and some prefer the light mode. This is the default, so when you get your phone, this is how it's going to look like, which is the light mode. It's going to come with light mode. Anything you're using is going to be light. Alright, so you want to turn off or turn on your dark mode. So first thing you have to do is you have to open up your phone settings. Once you open this app up, scroll down a little bit and you see display. Click on display and you can see lights and dark. So once you click on dark, you're going to see it's changed to dark mode, you understand, and click on light again. Just come back to the normal light. So this is very simple on how to do this. Just click on dark or click on light to change your display. Right, if this guide was helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get my helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.